Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Excel cells expand to fit text automatically. Formula. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then you can create your spreadsheet or open your default spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my spreadsheet. Now select a text, select a cell. Now write anything on this text. Now you can see this text are not fit on this cell. Now right click on sheet 1, then go to view code. Now click general, then click worksheet. Now write cells. Dot entire document, entire column, dot auto fit. Then go click file menu, then click close and return to Microsoft Excel. Now double click on this text. Now you can see I makes Excel cells expand to fit text automatically formula. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.